Welcome to Wolfnest, your premier property management destination in Salt Lake City, Utah. As a property management company, we know the importance of maintaining properties while being mindful of the costs. Let's explore 6 practical and effective ways to keep your Utah properties in top shape without breaking the bank. First up, implement preventive maintenance plans. Proactive planning slashes costs by up to 18%, as regular inspections catch potential issues before they escalate. Now, let's talk about strategy 2. Engage in energy efficiency upgrades. Save up to 20% on energy costs annually by investing in upgrades like LED lighting and programmable thermostats, benefiting both the environment and operational expenses. Strategy 3 is crucial. Partner with qualified contractors. Choosing experienced contractors at competitive prices ensures quality workmanship for long-term cost-effectiveness in property management. Let's explore strategy 4. Embrace technology for efficient operations. Streamline tasks and reduce maintenance costs with property management software and cloud-based platforms for tracking, work orders, and tenant communication. Now, let's move on to strategy 5. Encourage tenant responsibility. Educate tenants, incentivize responsible behavior, and reduce maintenance costs by having tenants participate in basic upkeep tasks. Finally, strategy 6. Conduct regular property inspections. Identify issues early and cut overall maintenance costs by up to 12% through scheduled inspections, addressing concerns promptly and ensuring tenant compliance. By implementing these proven strategies, you can significantly reduce maintenance costs for your Utah properties. Planning ahead, investing in energy efficiency, collaborating with reliable contractors, leveraging technology, promoting tenant responsibility, and conducting regular inspections. These steps not only enhance your property's bottom line but also boost tenant satisfaction and retention. At Wolfnest, we're your dedicated partner for cost-effective maintenance and exceptional property management in Utah. Seeking a reliable partner in Salt Lake City? Contact us today to maximize your investment. Join us on this journey for effective strategies in reducing maintenance costs and ensuring your properties thrive economically with unparalleled management services at Wolfnest.